Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Excelsior Primary from Kingston up against Victoria Primary from St. Catherine. I'm your host, Javon Keys, and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the toss and Excelsior Primary won, but they decided to send Victoria Primary first. So we will begin this section with Victoria Primary. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer, and this section lasts for 4 minutes. So with that time on the clock, we begin with Victoria. Bible knowledge. How many commandments did Moses receive from God on Mount Sinai?
10.
That's correct. Excelsior. Bible knowledge. Who was the sister of Moses?
Miriam.
Correct. Science. Victoria. Light rays bend as they pass at an angle from one substance to another. Is this statement true or false?
True.
Correct. Excelsior. Science. The lens inside the human eyes help to reflect light to be focused on the retina. Is this statement true or false?
True.
Incorrect. It's false. It refracts light. Victoria, Jamaican Affairs. Who is Jamaica's Minister of Labour and Social Security?
Dr. Charles Jr.
Correct. Excelsior, Jamaican Affairs. Who is Jamaica's Minister of Justice?
Andrew Michael Holness.
Incorrect. Delroy Chuck. Victoria, English language. Spell fantastic.
Mine. Fantastic.
Incorrect. Fantastic. Excelsior, English language. Spell precise.
Precise.
That's correct. Victoria, television. Which program is aired on Saturdays at 8 p.m. on TVJ?
Profile.
Incorrect. It's intense. Excelsior, television. Which program is aired on Fridays at 8:30 p.m. on TVJ?
ER.
The Entertainment Report. That's correct. Victoria, general knowledge. What is the official language in Belize?
Spanish.
Incorrect. English. Excelsior, general knowledge. In which country on the island of Hispaniola is French the official language?
Martinique. I don't know.
Incorrect. Haiti. Victoria, social studies. Which Jamaican national hero has a children's hospital named after him?
Alexander Bustamante.
Correct. Excelsior, social studies. Which Jamaican national hero has an airport named after him?
Norman Manley.
Correct. Victoria, music. Who won the 2023 JCDC Festival Song Competition?
Old Arbor High School.
Incorrect. Slash. Excelsior, music. Who won the 2023 Digital Rising Stars Competition?
Rihanna.
Incorrect. Ramon Watson. Victoria, mathematics. What is 4,119 rounded to the nearest hundred?
400.
Incorrect. 4,100. Mathematics. Excelsior. What is 3,494 rounded to the nearest thousand?
3,000.
Correct. Victoria, sports. What is the maximum number of runs which can be scored off a legal ball in cricket?
21.
Incorrect. 6. Sports. What is the maximum number of runs which can be scored off a legal ball in cricket if the ball does not clear the boundary when hit?
6.
Incorrect. 4. Victoria, Jamaican Affairs. Which Jamaican human rights organization uses the abbreviation JFJ?
Jamaica Football Federation. Jamaica Football Federation.
Incorrect. Jamaicans for Justice. Excelsior, Jamaican Affairs. Which Jamaican business organization uses the abbreviation PSOJ?
Sector Organization of Jamaica.
Private Sector Organization of Jamaica.
Correct. Victoria. And we don't have time for any more questions. That's the end of section 1. The scores are Excelsior Primary on 6 and Victoria Primary on 4. Please stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns right after this break.